Give that boy.
Your Excellency, sir, Honorable Minister of FCT, Barrister Nelson Wike, CON, our distinguished senator and a friend present here, House of Representatives that are present here, the Chairman Committee on FCT, our Royal Highnesses, Chairman of our area, especially our host, the Chairman of AMAC, Head of Security Agencies, gentlemen of the press, entertainers, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, peace be upon you all. It is my great pleasure to stand before you this afternoon, witnessing this great occasion. We thank Almighty Allah. We are just about 3 weeks in office. With Mr. Project on board, we have achieved tremendously. And we have even started receiving feedbacks from the people of FCT. They really feel that Mr. Project is on board. The issue of street lights has been cleared. Problems of sanitation have also been attended to. And today, we are witnessing this special occasion, a flag off of 135 rehabilitation and resurfacing of roads within FCT. This is not a small job. And this is just the beginning with Mr. Project on board. And I assure you, with Mr. Project on board, all this program that we started, within these 3 weeks, I don't think we have a complete 48 hours that will not be on site. We are here, we are there, and I am sure with Mr. Project, Abuja is going to be something else. And with him, I tell you that sky is not our limit, but it's just the beginning. So I pray with Almighty Allah that we get all the support we need from the people of FCT for us to achieve. Thank you very much. May God bless you all.
Chairman of FCT House of Representatives, my dear brother Honorable Betana, the Chairman Aids and Loans of the FCT, the Honorable Minister of State, my dear sister, the single senators here, members of the House of Representatives, Council Chairman or Area Chairman, as you may call them, the Permanent Secretary, Executive Secretary of FCDA, our dear traditional rulers, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me express my displeasure to FCDA. It's unfortunate, and that is why FCT is where it is. If ordinary microphone, you cannot arrange ordinary microphone to work, how will FCT work? It can work. It's a shame. At this level is where we are. And let me warn all those who are concerned, this will be the last time I will appear in the public function and I get this embarrassment. This should be the last time. It will not happen again. It will never happen again. If you don't want to work, you leave. So I just want to say that. Secondly, let me thank the chairman for having expressed publicly that we are going to work together for the interest of Nigeria, for the interest of FCT. One of the problems we have had, I've seen, is the issue of funding. issue of funding. I was told that this year's funding in the FCT and the national budget 15 billion, and only 1 billion has been released. I'm afraid that tells you that we have not started. But cooperating with you and your colleagues in the Senate, I know we'll turn things around by the special grace of God. My dear people of FCT, Mr. President Asuwaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu has directed the FCT Minister of State and my humble self to make sure, to assure you, his agenda of renewed hope works. And to tell you the renewed hope is to let you know FCT is working. And what you have come today is to assure you the agenda, Mr. President, of renewed hope is not just by talking, but also putting it into practice. And that is why we have come to start with flagging off a number of roads in this area. This is just phase one. In the next few weeks, we'll go to phase two, which is the entire Garki. This is about road infrastructure. So many things Mr. President has promised. Just be patient. We are taking it one after the other. One after the other. And that is what message I have told you here. If anything was not going to work, I will not be a party. But because I know Mr. President means well for this country, because I know he wants the best for the country, that's why I said I will serve in his cabinet, because he has shown to Nigerians that he feels their pains. Look at the FCT, no good road. Is that what you see? Is that what you want? Is that what you want? You want good things, is it not? Not be better than the fine. Not be better than the fine. This president, they bring the better. This president, they bring waiting, the better. If better no go there, you don't go see better. And I hear me. So me, I dey work where I want to go work well. So now I come say, on our way there, I'm gonna don't worry. FCT before, no be FCT now. Where would they? We will change everything. And they hear them. Or they hear me. But back I also tell her now, this is true, and I go there patient. Traffic will come more now, so they start this work. But now for the temporary. No be so. Person when one better, he go suffer small. No be so. The suffer no be for permanent. Now temporary, we're gonna just try. Within the next 6 months, we don't finish them. We'll go another area. Are you hear me? And I go support us at all. And I agree support us. And I go support us. And I sure. I thank you very much. Now to the contractors. Let me warn you now. All these deals, what are they do with engineering services? You don't go work again. And I hear what they talk now. Nothing like variation, it will not work. Job of 1 naira. In the next 7 days, it will become 15 naira. It will not work. It will not work. So don't even you try it. There's no variation in this job. We have the money to pay you. So if you like, go to engineering services and do anything with them, it will not work. And let me warn the permanent secretary, one of the, don't ever you bring me any paper to say, look, we didn't consider this. Everything has been considered. Do you understand me? Everything has been what? Considered. So don't come and bring me file. Oh, you know, we did not anticipate. Everything has been anticipated here. So we are paying you your money, and I assure you nobody will owe you a dime. I assure you nobody will owe you a dime. We are going to pay you, and you must finish within the time we have agreed with you. All I want the residents here to please support the contractors so that they can finish the job on time. And let that not be a basis because, oh, the community, they're having problems with them. Please, we don't want such problems. And to the traditional rulers, we want to thank you and also solicit your support for the contractors. Don't allow your subjects to become where this contract will not move on well. We beg you, let your youths, let your residents support the contractors so we can finish the job on time. I want to assure everybody here that we'll do everything we can Mr. President, having given us that support, having that confidence in us, we will turn Abuja around. You will see that Abuja should be the city our founding fathers had always expected. That's why they created Abuja as a federal capital territory. And that's what we want to do. It doesn't matter where you come from. It doesn't matter what religion you worship. No. What's important is the good of the people. What will help us. Whether you are not, if you don't believe in God, it doesn't matter. If you believe in God, it doesn't matter. We will give everybody will get the opportunity as a resident of Abuja. On this note, I want to invite my chairman, the Honorable Minister of State, to join us as a flag of this number of rows to the glory of God. Thank you, and God bless you.
Sorry. Amako.